Question number 2. He has taken three items, that is profit on revaluation of assets and liability, reserve and surplus, and goodwill of the firm. You are supposed to pass a single entry to give the treatment of all these three items. So, as per the working note, first of all, I had calculated sacrificing and gaining ratio. Then, valuation of goodwill you are supposed to find out. Here is the average profit. First item is a loss. So goodwill is 2 years purchase of average profit. So we had calculated goodwill. Now as per the third working note, I need profit or loss on revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. For that I had prepared revaluation accounts. Stock has been increased by 36,000. Creditors are reduced by 9,000. PBT has been created, that is value here is 2000. Fixed assets are to be reduced by 22,000. So balancing figure here is profit. मैंने इसको ओल्ड पार्टनर्स में ओल्ड रेशो से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं करा है क्योंकि मुझे सिर्फ प्रॉफिट की ज़रूरत है. उन्होंने बोला है कि प्रॉफिट और लॉस जो रिवैल्यूएशन ऑफ एसेट्स एंड लाइबिलिटीज़ है उसको भी एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री से ही आपको एडजस्ट करना है. So now I had all the three calculations. General reserve is surplus and reserves are given in the balance sheet of the question. So here I took all the three item, profit on revaluation of assets and liability 21 जो कि मैंने वर्किंग नोट में कैलकुलेट करा है. This has been given reserve and surplus given in the balance sheet, liability side. Goodwill of the firm we had calculated as per the working note. Sum total of all these 1,47,000. क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में आपने तीनों आइटम्स की ट्रीटमेंट को सिंगल एंट्री से इफेक्ट देना है. So I had calculated the amount for X, Y and Z. This is the amount. This account, this is the gaining partner X, so his account will be debited by 35,000. These are the sacrificing partner, their capital account is to be credited. Y for 7,000 and Z for 28,000. Here is the adjustment entry. So by mistake I had written here X, Y, Z. It is L, this is M and this is N. By mistake I had written X, Y, Z. So L's capital account debit 35, M's capital account 7,000, N's capital account 28,000. So हमने इन तीनों आइटम्स को क्वेश्चन की कंडीशन के अकॉर्डिंगली सिंगल एंट्री से ट्रीट करा है. रेस्ट you can pass the journal entry for each and every item of revaluation account. If it has been asked in the question, you can prepare partners capital account. Even you can prepare revised balance sheet. अगर revised balance sheet बनानी है, reserves and surplus will be shown on the asset side of liability side of balance sheet. Goodwill तो आता नहीं है, it is self generated. Profit on revaluation को हमने adjust कर दिया है. Here the assets and liabilities are to be shown in the new balance sheet as per their old value, not at their revised value. अगर आपसे बैलेंस शीट का पूछा जाता है, जर्नल एंट्री पास कराने के लिए बोला जाता है, कैपिटल अकाउंट बनाने के लिए बोला जाता है, then I had told you how you will solve the question.